Hello my dear students, welcome to English class. As you know, we started our term 1 syllabus. In term 1 syllabus we have chapter 4, 5, 6 and poem is someone. Okay, then we completed chapter 4 reading, explanation, grammar and writing portion. So today onwards I am going to start your worksheet, term 1 worksheet. In term 1 worksheet I am starting with page number 5 and exercise 2. A is an unseen passage. All of you know unseen passage. First you have to read the passage, then you have to answer the following questions. Once upon time, a peacock lived in a forest. He had very proud on his fine feathers. One day, he met Crow. How dull and black your feathers are, he said to the crow. Look at me. I am so beautiful. Can you fly so high? Asked the crow. The peacock had nothing to say. He just looked at the crow flying higher and higher into the blue sky. Okay, about what this is? This is about two friends. Two friends are here, peacock and crow. They both are discussing about their beautiful feathers. Peacock asked to crow, are you beautiful like me? Then return reply is, crow asked the peacock, can you flying higher and higher like crow? Asks that time peacock nothing to say. Peacock के पास कोई आंसर नहीं था. Then you have to find answer for this all. Questions, some questions are here. You have to answer that questions. Write the answers of the following questions. Question number 1. Why had the peacock proud of himself? Why he is proud of himself? Because he means peacock had a very proud on his fine feathers. He had a very beautiful feathers, so he is always feeling as a proud. Whom did he met one day? He means peacock here. One day he met a crow. What did the peacock tell the crow? How dull and black your feathers are, peacock said to the crow. Where did the peacock live? Peacock lived in a forest. Okay, these are questions and write past tense form of the above passage. Find here from the passage we have to find past tense. Meet, met. Say, said. Ask, asked. Have, had. Look, looked. These are past tense. You have to write only two from that passage. Write opposites of these. Ugly, beautiful, guilty, proud. Okay, this is page number 5, unseen passage. Now turn the page number 6. Page number 6 also we have unseen passage. I am going to read that unseen passage. You have to solve. This is in your worksheet only. Okay. You have to write neatly with a pencil in your worksheet. Okay. Now, B unseen passage. As she puts on the shoes, something strange happened. Sona starts flying like a bird. She flies and visits beautiful lands. This is just like my dreams. She meets birds, bees, and clouds. Everyone smiles at her. They are her new friends. Okay, this is a passage about Sona and her shoes. When she put on the shoes, something strange happened to her. She fly like a bird. This is about this passage. Okay. Now answer the following questions. Who flies like a bird? Sona flies like bird. What happened when Sona puts her shoes? When she puts on the shoes, something strange happens. Who does smile at her? Everyone smile at her. Write two plurals here: shoes and friends, clouds, bees, dreams, lands. 4 or 5 plurals are here. Just you have to write 2. Write opposites of these: dislike, like, enemy, friend, old, new. These all are in your passage only. You have to find from this passage of these words opposites. Okay. Now turn the page. Here we have writing section. As you know, we completed our sequencing section. Sequencing means reordering. Before starting this chapter, I explained you objectives of this chapter. Objectives of this chapter. Okay? To identify specific words, to sequence event and summarize a story. When you are sequencing the story, that time you will get a summary of that story. Okay. Here, what is the meaning of sequencing? Already I sent you one video also, and I hope you all are watched that video in chapter 2, I think. That is in chapter 2. And today I am going to explain you briefly. Every story has a beginning, middle and an end. In the beginning, where does the story take place? Who are the main characters in the story? What is the main event which start the story of these people? It's a beginning. In beginning, we have to know about where does the once upon a time in the forest like story start. Who are the main characters? There lived a king like story start. In the middle we can be divided into 2 parts, next and then. In middle we are going to again part 2 parts. There are next and then. What is in next? Next, what do the characters do, or how do they react to this event, or how do they deal with this event? It's in your next part. In then part, what you will get? Then what happens after the actions of the characters? it's in a middle. In middle we have a two parts, next and then, and last end. What is the final result? Is the problem or a main event in the story resolved? What is the final situation in the place where the story takes the place, and what is the condition of the characters? Means how is the ending of the story? We have to sequence like a beginning, middle and end. In beginning we are introducing characters and place. In middle we are telling about next, and then in ending what is the final result. What happened? What is the final result? And in page number 7 you have a one sequencing. Then you have to sequence it. First you have to number it, then you have to write here. Put the given sentence in the correct order and rewrite and learn how to make lemon juice. What is given here? How to make a lemon juice. You know na? All things have a many steps. What you need in a lemon juice? To make a lemon juice, you will need a lemon. What is the first part? You make a lemon juice, you will need a lemon. Number 1. What you have to do with that lemon? Here mix is there. Please cut that mix and write there cut. Cut the lemon open with an adult's help. When you are using sharp instruments, you have to take help of your parents. You are not going to cut with a sharp weapon. So that time you are going to take your adult's help. Cut the lemon open with an adult's help. Number 2. Then what you will do? Then squeeze the lemon into glass until all the juice comes out. You have to squeeze that lemon until all juice comes out. Then what you have to do? Some cold water and 2 spoons of sugar. 4th step. Then add sugar and water to the juice. At last, drink it cold. When it is ready, what you have to do? Drink it cold. Here, jumbled sentences are here. If you want to make a lemon juice, first you have to sequence in order. Give a number here. Then you have to write number 1. Sorry. To make a lemon juice, you will need a lemon. When you are going to prepare lemon juice, you will need a lemon. Number 1. Number 2. Cut the lemon open with an adult's help. When you are going to cut the lemon, that time you will get a help of adults. Okay. Then squeeze. It's a middle part. Okay. Then squeeze lemon into glass until all the juice comes out. Number 3. Number 4. Some cold water and 2 spoons of sugar. Number 5. Add sugar and water to the juice. Then finally, ending. What's the end of this? Drink it cold. Okay. You have to write here with the correct numbers. Thank you. And I explained you sequencing of writing A. Then try to do yourself in next page. In page number 8. Put given sentences in the correct order and rewrite and make a readable story. Okay. This is your homework. You have to read and do yourself. I hope you all are ready to do this. Like before, I explained you how to sequence your story. Beginning, middle and end. This is the sequencing part. So here the lamb kept waiting for a Mary outside the school. One day the lamb followed Mary to the school. The children wondered why the lamb loved Mary too deeply. Mary had a pet lamb. The teacher turned the lamb out because the children were not allowed to take their pets to the school. These are jumbled lines. You have to make a readable story from these jumbled lines. First you have to write numbers, then sequence it properly. Thank you very much.